How to download CapCut on Android. Hey guys, today we have got a quick and easy tutorial for all you budding video editors out there. I'll be showing you how to download CapCut on your Android device, one of the most popular and user-friendly video editing apps. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, CapCut has got you covered, so let's get started. First thing first, grab your Android device and unlock it. Make sure you are connected to the internet either through Wi-Fi or mobile data. Next, tap on Google Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. This is where you can find and download CapCut. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search bar and type CapCut. You will see it pop up in the search result. Click on CapCut app. Now you will be taken to the CapCut app page. Simply tap on the install button. It will appear here. It might take a moment to download and install depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, tap the open button. This will launch the CapCut app for the first time on your Android device. CapCut may ask for some permissions like access to your media files. This is necessary for the app to work effectively. So go ahead and grant those permissions. And there you have it. You have successfully downloaded CapCut on your Android device. Now you can start editing your videos, adding effects or getting creative. That's a wrap up for this quick tutorial on how to download CapCut on your Android devices. It's a fantastic video editing app with a user-friendly interface, and I'm sure you'll love using it to create amazing content. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. If you have any question or if there is anything else you'd like to see on the channel, feel free to drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.